Hello. Today we solve in interest on drawings third method, our average method. In average method we have four topics. First, monthly drawing, second, quarterly drawings, and third, 6 month drawings, and fourth is 9 month drawing. So first illustration is 7. G, S and T are partners firm. You inform that G withdraw 2000 at the beginning of every month, S withdraw 3000 end of every month, and T withdraw 1000 in middle of every month. It means it's every month. Interest on drawing is to be charged 12% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings. It's beginning of every month, end of every month, and middle of every month. It means its first topic is 12 months drawings. So we solve this. Example number 7. First, G 2000 every month. So first we multiply 12 every month. In year of months of 12 is 24,000 into rate of interest 12%, and beginning of every month we calculate interest on drawing 6.5 months. Okay, so this let's solve. It's 0 12 से 12 and multiply, that is 1560. S 3000 end of every month, so we multiply first 12 is 36,000 into 12 upon 100, and end of every month we calculate interest on drawings of 5.5 months. Okay, it's 1980, and T is 1000 middle of every month. Every month we multiply 12, it's 12,000 into 12 upon 100 into middle में 6 upon 12, it's 0 0 12 12 0 0 is 720. Okay, so example number 7 is complete. Now we solve example number 8. PQR started business 1/7/2016. 7, it means we start a business in July, 1st July. Calculate interest on drawing the following for the year ended 31st March 2017. It means business start is 1st July and end of the year 31st March. It's 9 months. Business run only 9 months. So it's 9 months drawings. P withdraw 500 at the beginning of every month. Q draw 600 in middle of every month, and R withdraw 700 end of every month. So it's 9 months drawing. How we find? Because business start in 1st July and end of 31st March. So July to March is 9 months. So it's 9 months drawings. It's monthly drawings and it's 9 months drawing. So in monthly drawings we multiply 12, and 9 month drawing we multiply by 9. So P 500 beginning multiply by 9 is 4500. Interest on rate is 12%, and beginning of every 9 months we calculate interest 5 months. Okay, so it's 225, and Q is 600 middle of every month to multiply by 9 is 5400 into 12 by 100 into middle of every month is 4.5. It's fixed months of interest. Calculation rate is 243, and R is 700 into first multiply 9 is 6300 into 12 upon 100 into 4 upon 12, it's 252. Okay, so now next example is 9. RSTR partner in a firm on 1st January 2017 to 30th June. It means business start in January and close in June. It means 6 months. Its drawings are 6 months drawings. 2000 per month. Calculate interest on drawing. R withdraw beginning of every month, S withdraw middle of every month, and T withdraw end of every month. It's a 6 month drawings. How we find is 6 months? Because business start in January and close in June. Example number 9. R 2000 into multiply by 6. First of all, because it's 6 month drawings, 12,000. Rate of interest is 10%, and beginning of every 6 month, middle 3.5 upon 12, it's 350. As same amount, 2000 into 6, 12,000. 12,000 into 10 upon 100, it's middle of every month. We calculate interest on drawing 3 months, so it's amount 300. And T 2000 into 6 is 12,000. 12,000 into 10 by 100 into end of every month is 2.5 months, so it's 250. Okay, so now example number 10. ABC are partner in firm. Calculate interest on drawing 12%. The following drawings are made in end of 31st March 17. A withdraw 3,000 beginning of each quarter is quarter. In quarter we multiply by 4. B withdraw 4,000 middle of each quarter. C withdraw 2,500 end of each quarter. So A 3,000. First it's a quarterly drawing, so we multiply by 4 is 12,000. 12,000 into 12 by 100 into beginning of each quarter 7.5, it's 900. And B 4,000 into 4 is 16,000. 16,000 into 12 by 100, middle of each quarter it's 6 months drawings, so 960. And C 2,500 into 4 is 10,000. 10,000 into 12 by 100 into 4.5 upon 12, it's 450. Okay, same illustration 11, so it's solve U, and we solve next illustration is 12. What say? RS are partner in 3:2. R is a non-working partner. He is contribute 5 lakh as his capital. S did not contribute any capital. The partnership did provide interest on capital 10% and salary to S is 2,500. The net profit before providing interest on capital salary amount is 40,000 for the year ended 31st March. Show the distribution of profit for the year. It means question want to be only distribute profit, not loss. So we prepare a P&L appropriation. Example number 12. First of all, we put profit by P&L. It's 40,000, and we have two partners. R his capital is 5 lakh. He wanted interest on capital 10%, to 5 lakh into 10 by 100 is 50,000. And as our non-working partner, he want to be salary is 2,500 per month. It's multiplied by 12, it's 30,000. So we have R and S 50,000 and 30,000. So we put here 2 R interest on capital and 2 as salary. So we put 50 and 30, 50,000 and 30,000. So we find a loss. We find a loss because its total is 80,000. So we can't distribute loss in P&L appropriation. So we ratio find the interest on capital and salary is 5:3, because in question they want to be distribute only profit, not a loss. So R, we distribute profit in interest on capital ratio and salary ratio. 5/8 into 40,000 is 25,000, and RS 3/8 into 40,000 is 15, so it's equals to 15,000. So we put 25,000, 15,000 and total 40. We distribute profit and give salary and interest on capital. Same it is as per illustration number 3.4. Same, this illustration number 12 and question number 6 are same. So try it, question number 6.